Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to join Cryptobatz Discord server. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open a browser and type here Cryptobatz Discord and open this link and click on this Discord icon and now click on accept invite. Continue to Discord and click on complete and verify, submit. So this was how we can join Cryptobatz Discord server. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.